here we have another workflow. So this workflow is like you can say is totally automating the process of uploading the content on the WordPress and the Pinterest data, something like that. So this is something that user wants to do us. First of all, he can just trigger the manually, execute it. It will get the input from the sheet, and input will be like the focus keyword, secondary keyword, what people ask, article type, and everything. This the input user wants to give. Then we will pass this to the HTTP node where I am using the API file to scrape the websites. It will scrape the websites on the basis of the focus keyword. So it will get the top 10 websites URL. Then I will pass this through this and get only the top two URLs. So top two websites URLs are related to this the focus keyword. Then it will scrape all the data HTML of these websites. Here you can see it's just scraping both the website and giving us the HTML. Then I'm passing to the code node to process this HTML and giving me the correct just text data, and I'm passing through the AI agent to process this and give us the JSON output. So when I will get both the scraped website data in the JSON, then I pass this through this to generate article for the WordPress. The article will be around 3000 words or something I'm generating here. Then it will go to the next agent. It will complete this content and will generate all the 3000 words of the article the user wants. And then this article will pass to the code node to process it, and you can say will as the WordPress required the input, it will make it same like that. Then it will automatically upload this to you can say, here you can see it will automatically create the article on the WordPress. So here is the slug content, everything we are generating, it will automatically upload to WordPress. Secondly, here it will also check whether the if the input article about it's giving, if it's about the recipe, then it will again we have a AI agent which will process this, and something it will generate the JSON for our n8n automation. Then we will convert this into the file. We will upload this into the Google Drive. Then we have again AI agent which will get this and give us the 6 image prompts. It will generating the prompts for the images we want to create and use it on our in our article. So it will give the 6 images prompt and save it to the Google Sheet. So once we have the image prompt, then it will generate. Then you can see here I'm also giving this, and it will generate the 6 Pinterest pins data. Here you can see 6 Pinterest pins data for the article. It will generate and saves the files on the Google Sheet and update. It will upload the files on the Google Drive, and it will save the Google Sheet. Once we have that, it will again you can see